Alright, so we just did our 2011. The redemption was TJ Yates, moniker silver. I believe that's numbered to 199. Texans. So we're on to 2012. We've got Contenders and Supreme for 2012. And then we'll do 2 mini helmets. Alright guys, 2012 Contenders, good luck. Drew Brees. Randy Moss. Legendary Champions. Steve Young. Fred Jackson. Santonio. Back 2. Laurent Robinson. Matt Ryan. Peyton MVP contenders. Steven Jackson. Jamal Charles. Pack 3. Jimmy Graham. Dalton. Antonio Brown. Roddy Bradshaw. Pack 4. Santana. Bit of a corner chip on the Santana. Gronk. RG3, Rookie of the Year contenders. Ben Jarvis and Rivers. Reggie Wayne. Garcon. For the Lions, we got Kellen Moore, rookie auto. Freeman, Reggie Bush, Kellen Moore. For the Lions. The first hit from Contenders. Steve Smith. Michael Vick. Mario Davis for the Jets. That's one of our out teams. Greg Jennings. Dallas Clark. Mario Davis for the Jets. Brady. This corner's a little dinged up too. Cam. Jay McClellan, rookie Stallions, not numbered. Ray Lewis and Hakeem Nicks. Alright, time for something big. McFadden. Marco. Vernon. Josh Cribbs. Gates. Donald Brown. Fitz. MVP contender. MVP winner. AP. Not numbered. Schaub. Kenny Britt. Marius. Marshawn. Drew Brees, legendary champions. Torrey Smith. Outnumbered. And Tebow. MJD. Beanie Wells. Colston. Miles Austin. Frank Gore. Forte. And this corner's jacked. The whole messed up corners. Sorry guys. Deshaun Jackson. Stafford. Ponder. Fitzpatrick. Robert Turbin, Rookie of the Year contenders. Seahawks. That was an auto. Bradford. Castle, Sue, Amendola. Brandon Marshall. Donnie Avery. Luke Kuechly, Rookie Stallions. Dre Johnson, Texans, and Chris Johnson, Titans. Just have all our autos at the bottom. Michael Turner. Eli. For the Broncos, Brock Osweiler. Big auto on card. Don't tell me. Has a little chip at the bottom, or at the top, excuse me. Fold it back up. Hey, Svanini. This is Osweiler for the Broncos. Auto. Debo, Flacco. London Fletcher. Hernandez. D'Angelo. Percy and Steve Johnson. AJ Green. Mike Wallace. Legendary champion Rod Smith. Broncos. Not numbered. Victor Cruz. Greg Little. Hayward Bay. Dayton. Eli. MVP contender. Carson and Des Bryant. 6 packs to go. Still got at least 2 autos. Rodgers. Wes Welker. Ryan Matthews, base. Jordy. Good luck. Vontae's perfect. Bengals. Got any variations yet? Ooh, 5 packs on Contenders. Come on. Get something better than this. Richard Sherman. Gabbert. And it's a little better for the Browns. Came out quick. Cracked ice. It's going to be numbered to 20. Browns, Travis Benjamin. Auto there. And who had the Browns? Fisherman. Congrats. Nice one. Be number 7 of 20. Cracked ice, Travis Benjamin. Too bad that wasn't his rookie teammate. Cameron Wake, Ray Rice. Doucette. Drew Brees. Chandler Jones, Rookie of the Year Contenders. Pulled one of these that was an auto, numbered to 10. A while back. Sanchez. And Tony Romo. Alright, what? 3 packs to go. Man. Randy Moss. Reggie Wayne. Garcon. Alex Smith. Arian Foster. Jay Cutler. JD. Stallions, Tannehill. Vincent Jackson base, and Fasano. Oh, last pack of Contenders. Let's get a Russell Wilson, something like that. Another Luck. Something. Doesn't look like it. Alright, McGahee. Maybe I was joking. Sidney Rice. Like we are going to get another auto. Big Ben, Calvin, Sidney Rice, and final pack, final hit. I guess we're going this way. Good luck, guys. Playoff ticket of Adrien Robinson for the Giants. It's going to be a playoff ticket numbered to 99. He's got a cracked ice auto and a playoff ticket auto. Six autos, 2 of them numbered from Contenders. Not bad. Could have used a bigger name or two, but